So hi bro, welcome back once again to VIEH YouTube channel. Today I'm going to tell you how to get 4 courses on cloud for free and why this is important in cybersecurity. So let's get started with my display. So I'm going to tell you how to get AWS courses which is on cloud for free. Why this is important for the cybersecurity people, because this is a YouTube channel which is on cybersecurity. So right now you can get a lot of courses on cloud, right? There's a lot of on expert, on beginners, all those courses for free. But why this is important right now? Because also I'm going to give you the courses for free, but before understand why exactly this is required. For beginners, those who are beginning to cybersecurity, what they exactly know, they know ki we need to do some sort of deployment and we need to do some sort of cloud basics to get into cybersecurity. But the problem is we ignore security, right? Whenever a developer deploy anything, whenever they work anything on cloud, they miss the security part. And the main problem is, like, for example, if you're taking example of AWS, then probably they're providing you the best security, but where we lack, how the cloud is getting hacked, is because of the misconfiguration, right? Meanwhile, AWS is secured, but users are not. Even they don't have much idea how to secure all those things. So I'm going to tell you uh, what is the attack reality. Basically, hackers are scanning the cloud all over the time, 24/7. For example, by using Sodan, you might be heard of. There's a lot of exploit, which is S3 leak, which is IAM misuse, which is open port scanning. Okay, so these are the problems. This is why the course is important. So let's get on the course, that what are the courses you need to do at first and how you will get all those things for free, right? So first, so this is the first course, which is on AWS serverless demonstration. Why this is important for the cybersecurity peoples to understand how does cloud work? Because see, whenever you are starting working on cloud security, you first need to understand how exactly the cloud work, right? How AWS, because I guess for 60% market capture is having is working on the cloud AWS, right? So this is why important. Hackers don't break AWS, they exploit them. So when you work as a cybersecurity folks, as a security analyst, you'll get a server, right? Who developer deployed all those things. So as a security person, you need to bring out some sort of fix the misconfigurations, right? So this is what you can see. This is the first courses which is free AWS serverless demonstration. So you can see here, this is the first course, AWS serverless demonstration, which is free, right? If you want link, just let me know, or else you can just see from here, right? And there you can see what are things you'll know about AWS Lambda function, deployment, array strip, and all those things. This is an intermediate uh, right role, and this is for the serverless things. Next is AWS agentic AI demonstration. This is also important because this is related to AI, right? This is intermediate level, and this is what you are going to learn in this course. Troubleshooting and all those things, how you can enhance the AI agent capabilities, how you can interact and fix an agent. Fixing is again probably some part of security. Okay, how you can connect a web application, chat client, and probably you'll know, when you know the architecture, you know how to fix all this. Next course is AWS application networking demonstration. So this is very, very important for the cybersecurity people, right? Networking is much more important to secure. You can see some how to fix the load balancer. So you'll get an idea exactly what all those thing terms means, right? After that, the fourth free course is AWS incident responder demonstration, right? Incident responder means how, if any incident happens, right, then how you are going to respond with that specific path. So this is especially dedicated for the security, for the identity and compliances, right? So this is the must do course. Networking is again the must do course, which is, and after that you can do both these courses, right? Serverless demonstration and this one, agentic AI demonstration. So this is why all those things is required. By the way, let's see the topics: implemented auditing, compliance control, and all. Yeah, that's very important. How to recover the network hardening, how to educate backdoor access, right? So this is very important. You should definitely do all those courses. Meanwhile, if you want link, just let me know in the comment box. I'll just drop the link there, right? So that's what we have. Thank you very much for watching this video. Have a great day. Jai Hind.